Hey guys, in today's really short video I wanted to share this with you. Whatever in life that you find the most challenging or the most difficult, don't run from it. Actually go towards it and embrace it fully, because this pose is like one of the most challenging poses I find in yoga. Instead of running from it, I decided to embrace it, and although it's not perfect, it's made progress. And progress is progress, no matter how small or insignificant it may seem to you. Literally, no matter what it is that you want in life, you can and you will. All you need is consistency and believe that you can and you will, and you literally can and will. Anything that you find that challenges you is only there to actually allow you to shine your light even brighter. It's basically there to try and wake you up to your true self, to realize like you are literally infinite potential. You are an infinite being having a human experience. There is nothing you cannot do. It's by practicing this consistently. And you know what, guys, I didn't even do this for that long, just like taking a little bit time out of my day, like probably a minute each day. The progress is really amazing. Although the pose isn't perfect, I could be up higher, I believe, but however, the progress is amazing, you guys. And think of this for anything you want in life. If you just put like a few minutes each day consistently, you will be amazed at the results that you can achieve. You literally have the power within you to move worlds. It's all within you, literally. And once you start to recognize that power and let go of like false limiting beliefs, you will be amazed at what you can achieve. And remember this, you guys, energy flows where energy goes. So what are you focusing on? Are you focusing on problems or are you focusing on solutions? And lastly but not least, I shall leave you with these two quotes. First one is, problems only exist within the human mind. And another quote is, when you are living as awareness, then you will see clearly that problems are imagined limitations. How can the infinite awareness that you are have a single problem? I really hope these quotes help you and let them seep into your subconscious, allowing you to expand beyond your wildest dreams and let go of any limitations or beliefs that are hindering you. I'll be uploading a full video on this pose as well, another pose that's very challenging for me. Peace, love and light. I shall see you guys in my next upload.